guys, so today I'm doing what's in my reborn baby's backpack. It's a mini backpack because I don't have a diaper bag yet, but I plan on getting one, so this is pretty much what I'm using for a diaper bag. So far, that's my little girl, Liliana. She's beautiful. I have her in kind of like a hiking, like little outfit, like an outside outfit. She has a romper on with shoes that spell out wild. And she has a little Mickey Mouse on, not Mickey Mouse, sorry, Elmo thing on. It's a pacifier holder, and I didn't have any other pacifiers because I only have two. I have a pink one and this blue one, so that's kind of it. And then I have this hippo, so that's kind of her outfit today. So now I'm just going to show you what I have inside her diaper, not diaper bag, it's her backpack. So I'm just going to start off with this. Hold on. Okay, so I have this. This is her fake baby milk. And then I have this spoon. It is like a doll spoon, but I use it to scoop out the milk, and I did break it like a couple minutes ago, and I have tape on it right now, but I will fix that when I get home with super glue because that's the only spoon I have like that, and I don't see them out in stores anymore, so I'm gonna try to save it. And then I have her this baby, it's like kind of like a cereal, but it's not. It's like cheese really. It's peanut flavored, and this is what they look like. They are so small. And I am going to be an aunt, so if y'all want updates on the baby growing, because my brother's girlfriend is having a baby, then let me know. Okay, I'm just not going to post that because that's going to be a lot of work. I'm sorry, this sounds so boring, but I'm actually at a restaurant right now because my mom works here, and I gotta be kind of caught up. So this is, I think it's cereal. Yeah, cereal snack. And this is strawberry yogurt flavored. I like to keep it in the backpack just in case she gets hungry. Here's a little like heads up about these. They come like halfway full. So they do have this for $1.43, or they have one that's $1.24. I would recommend just getting $1.24 because you're getting the same amount, even though it says that it's different, because you're probably supposed to be getting that much, but you don't end up getting that. So this is her Nubby bottle that I absolutely love. It works so well. It's not sealed, but the hole is like nothing comes out of the hole. Well, if y'all could see the hole, nothing comes out of it. It's like so good because she has a cloth body, so it's good that it doesn't come out. This is her little hat for today's outfit, if I bring her on a walk or something. This is her bib that I have in here. I think it's so cute. Actually, this bib came with my boy reborn doll. I have a boy one, and he is so cute, and he came with this. And then this is her little onesie. It is a little bit big on her, but I got it for sale for $1, so I was like, whatever. Because it was only like 3 to 6 months, I think. And she's 0 to 3. Well, it said that she was 0 to 3, but she don't really fit that too well. It actually ends up being a little bit big on her, but it's okay. And then I got her these extra shoes, because you know how babies always kick them off. I think they are so cool. They're like really real, kind of. I think that's so cool. So now I have this zipper in here, if y'all haven't seen it yet. And I have diapers in here. She does fit 1 month, I think that means, or size 1 is what I'm gonna say. Size 1 is her size 1 newborn. But I always get size 1. Oh my god, it's like sharp, like not light, but like when I pull something out, it's not really focusing too well either, but it's alright. Now I can still kind of see. So this is another diaper that I had. And then I have one more diaper. And this is also a size 1. So yeah, that's it for the video. Please give it a like,